Welcome back, everyone. Last week you learned how to create a or assemble ROV. It was a great success. Today we are going to create a pumpkin. We are going to make a pumpkin in Fusion 360. So I have a pumpkin, so we are going to create something similar to this. Go to the file, click on a new design, Control N, or you can use the shortcut key from the keyboard, Control N. Click on new design. You will have a new design. We are going to work on the front pane. All right. So step number one, create a sketch. We have a sketch. We are going to get the solid line and we are going to create a shape for a pumpkin based on your need. So let's see, we are going to create something like this from here. I think it should be fine. All right, double click and release. And if you have to adjust, you can adjust later. All right, and the second thing, we are going to get another line right here. This is an extra line, so we are going to trim it. The next step is we are going to use the offset, and this time we are going to use the offset this line, and we are going to do it like, let's do it 0.25. Press enter, and the extra lines we don't need it, so go to trim and we will delete those lines. All right, now we are going to click on finish sketch. We are going to finish the sketch, so we have this part. Now this time we are going to click on a revolve. We are going to revolve this, and as a new body, and let's see, and the axis is going to be this line. We don't need a 360. It's not looks like a pumpkin. It's like a circle. So let's do the angle 36. All right, and this time this is exactly, it's a partial, it's not a full circle. 36 degree, and direction is one side, and this is going to be a new body. All right, click on OK. So we have something like this, a slice of a pumpkin. We are going to go to the fillet command. So F to fillet. We are going to use this line, and this time let's try 0.25. Looks good, but we can reduce it. So we don't need it that much. Let's do it 0.20. Let's see how it will look like, or let's try 0.15 based on like how you feel it. 0.15, 0.25. Let's do it 25 actually. All right. So one side is done. We are going to go to the other side, and same thing, we are going to do it to the other side. If you're not able to select the lines, hold the control key. If you have a multiple selection, so go to the modify, and then from here fillet, and then same, let's do it same point 0.25. Looks good. All right, so the next thing we are going to create a pattern, and this time it's going to be a circular pattern. Circular pattern, we are going to select this, and then the object is, since our, let's go to the sketches, our sketch is, so we have to select this as axis. So that's why I enabled my sketch, because we were not able to see this. So our body is selected. If you see, the object is selected. Now we are going to select the axis, which is our center line here. So see, we have only three slices, three pieces. So we have to see 36 times 10 is 360. Is that right? So let's do 10 of them. So we have exactly 10, and it's interconnected with each other. If you feel it looks good, depends on how you like to divide. So as we chose the slice, a 36 multiplied by 10 is 360, which is a complete circle. Here we go. So your pumpkin looks like this. Looks amazing. Okay, nice. Go to the front again. This time I'm going to hide the bodies, and I am going to click on the sketch, and I'm going to enable the horizon. Why? Because we have to use, so this time I'm going to my right side, so you will see I have this plane, right? The bottom one. I'm going to click on it, right click, right there, a little like this, right click, and then we are going to select the offset plane. We have the offset plane. Depends on the pumpkin's height. We are going to create another plane on top of it. Something here, it should be fine, is 2.3 inch. So let's do it 2.35 inch. Yeah, looks good. Let's do it. All right, perfect. All right, now here we are going to select this top plane, this one, and we are going to create a new sketch on it. We have a sketch. Activate the bodies so you will know what to do. This time we are going to go to and then we are going to select the polygon. So go here, and we are going to create a polygon here. Something like this should be fine. And then number you like, the 6 is fine. If you want to do 10 of them, we can do 10 of them. And it looks like a circle. So let's go with 8 of them. All right, come on. And then the size is going to be 0.5 based on your drawing, actually. So 0.5 is good. Now we are going to create another circle somewhere here for right there. All right, and hit enter and check how it looks like. Perfect. Now I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to select my top circle, and then I'm going to hit E key from my keyboard, E to extrude. And hey, then I'm going to choose the directions for two sides, both sides. So here we go, and the top one and the bottom one. So it's going to fit. and then you snap it, make it a little wider from the inside if you like to join. And I'm not going to make it too big from the top. Alright, looks okay. It's not too high. And I'm going to click on OK. My bad, I think it was a cut. So let me go back one step, E to extrude, and it's supposed to be a new body or a join. So two-sided, and a little bit, not too, and from the top as well. Perfect here. And then no, see, here is a cut. We don't want a cut. Let's go a join before and then a little wider from inside and click on OK. So let's activate our sketch 2, and this time I am going to create a line to connect this polygon to this circle. We have to go back to our horizons. I'm going to disable my bodies, and this time we are going to work on the front pane, and let's go to the front one. You can also see from here, let's activate which one is which. Let's work on this one. All right. And now I am going to right click. Same thing, we are going to do offset, and we are going to do offset this side. Activate the bodies again. So we will see how right here, 2.50 inches should be fine. And now we are going to click OK, select this one, and create a new sketch. We have a new sketch, right? And let's go to the top, close to this, and we have to connect this to this. How we are going to do it? You just go here and make a curve. Let me do it again. Right here, and we have to create it on the top. Let's get a circle line to little bit, hold the mouse button, and you have to connect it here. All right, press enter for to release the line tool. Now we are going to use click on finish sketch, and this time we are going to use a loft command. It was really a big struggle for me to create a loft for this. Let's see how it's going to do it this time. So to select this here, and you are going to select the circle, and we are going to do the center line, and we are going to select this. Perfect. All right, and this is going to be a new body as well. All right, so our pumpkin is ready, and a couple of more things we can do it here. Select everything, and you are going to go to the physical material. All right, and then we are going to use a plastic from here, and whatever the material you like to use it. I am going to use ABS plastic this time. All right. We have the material. You are seeing the lines. We don't need the horizon, so you can hide it. And we don't need the sketches at this time. Your pumpkin is going to look like this, right? Couple of more things we can do it right now. We have to create eyes and the nose, whatever you like. So remember we have a sketch 3 where we create a line. So I am going to improve my timeline this. So I'm going to reuse the sketch number 3, and then on the front I am going to use a center circle, and I'm going to create eyes for my pumpkin, and then the dimension is 0.75 here, and another one is right there so you can measure. And now you have a guided line. Might you don't based on your drawing. So hey, 0.75 again, similar, and you see you have a shape for a nose and face. So I'm going to use as a guide for me to create another line. Let's see, let's do like this. From here, it's way too much. We should be fine. And then press OK. And let's reduce it a little bit, or you know what? Leave it like this. I'm going to create another line here. And then you have to create a nose. This is whatever the way you like it, you can create it. I'm just, doing, and then I'm not going to create a nose this time. So everything is disabled. Activate the sketch again, sketch number 3, and then I'm going to click E to extrude, and my sketch is here. I'm going to extrude this, and then this time I'm going to do it together. So see, we are going to extrude it inside. Do it halfway, so we are not going to do the full way, so it should be fine. And click on cut, and we are going to deactivate the sketch. Here is our pumpkin. One more thing we can do it. Select again everything. If you like to assign a color, you go to the appearance, and here you can, if you have any favorite colors, you can try red, green, orange, whatever the color you like it for your pumpkin. So I will say I like this brass mesh. Whatever the color you like it, you can do it. So let's try this here. And finish. So I don't see the color. Let's do it one more time. Right click and appearance. Say red. Okay, let's do it LED red. All right, close. The color is based on your preference, whatever the color you like it. Here we go. Our pumpkin is ready. Now what we have to do next, you are going to click on the file command again. You are going to click on a 3D print. from here you will see the options 3D print. We are going to export this, and then it's going to be STL binary. So what is going to, you click on select, and then we are going to select the whole pumpkin, and then we are going to click on the print. When we are going to do it, when we are going to print this, it's not going to print in a good way. So I tried, it's not working. So what I'm going to do, I will click on the bodies, right click, and then I am going to create a component from the bodies. So it will be a one component, right? So you see the component 1 and component 2. You should be fine. Now go back again to the file and then 3D print, and then hey, select this and select this. By holding the control key, you can select both together, or you select like this. All right, the top one is not selected, so it's selected now. So see, the OK command is not working. So let's do it. Print utility is going to be STL binary. Select top and bottom together. And then export as a STL file. My goodness, there's only one thing is selecting somehow. Let's select together and let's see. And then from there, hey, millimeter, inches, whatever you like. I will say inches and click on OK, and then it should be fine. Something skipped from my mind. What is it? Okay, I'm going to cancel this. Hey, the bottom part is not done yet. We don't have a base, and then it's not going to print well. In this case, what we have to do, any of you can answer what we have to do? I will pause the video, let me know. If you don't know, I will... Yes, you're correct. Yes. All right, so I'm going to disable the bodies, which is my components now. And then I'm going to activate my origin. So we are going to go to the bottom part right there. And then right click on it, and then we are going to create offset, right? This time, like go to the bottom and then enable the component. So we will see like where we need our offset, right here somewhere. All right. And then we are going to create a sketch on top of it, right here somewhere. All right, should be fine. So select your new offset plane right there. Yep. Click create, and then we are going to create a sketch. We have a sketch. You are going to create a center circle or whatever you like. Not too big, just enough. And then finish on the sketch. And then we have a sketch number 4, and you will see on sketch 4, let me enable it. Sketch number 4 is here, and this is our circle. I am going to select the circle and then E to extrude, and then we are going to use as a join, E to extrude, and then hey, do it inside outside. Let's just do it both ways, 2 sides, right? Should be fine. And let's see. How we are going to do it here. Let's make it something like this and pull it. Oh, it's going to too big. Let's move it back to make it a little smaller. It should be fine. All right, click on OK. And then we covered our bottom too, and it's not too much into it. Just, so we are not going to waste the filament as well. All right, click on the front view. Our pumpkin is almost ready. So now select again what we are going to do. Click on File, 3D Print, and then, hey, export STL binary in inches, and then one file, click on OK. It's going to ask you to write a name, and then wherever you like to save. So it's going to, on my computer, it's in C drive, users, M. Goswami, downloads, and I will say a test print. Click on save, and then I am going to look at it. Where is my test print? Let me see. We'll go to my documents, and you will see a pop-up screen here. Ignore. All right. Okay. Error has occurred to the model. You can repair the model. Okay. The model has been repaired. You will see here. This is our flash print software. So my pumpkin is here. So I am going to select the pumpkin, and then I'm going to click on the scale. The scale is going to tell me the size. We can use in millimeters, and we can use in inches, and uniform scaling, or you like to do it at your own. So hey, let's try to print. The X is going to be 2, and now see the size. Looks okay to me, and then let's do it 2, and then the Y is going to be 1.6, and the Z is going to be 2.5. All right, I'm going to click on a start slicing, and then it's going to create the slicing, and then it's pretty quick. I really like the printer. It's a good printer. All right, slice preview if you like to see. So it's going to look like this. And when we are going to create it, it's going to create. I think it's too close. I'm not sure how it's going to do it. I think it should be fine. So close preview, and then I am going to click on my print, send to print, and it's going to print. So due to the IP address, I'm not going to click send to print now, but you will see the results in few minutes. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. All right, see you in the next video.